Today we're going to put a little video together with gooseberries. We're going to make a simple gooseberry fool, but with a bit of a twist. We're going to be using some elderflower cordial, just some zest of lemon and some lemon juice, some local honey, a bit of yoghurt, obviously a little bit of sugar, but we're going to make a little compote with these wonderful gooseberries that we've already topped and tailed. So watch the video, enjoy, and maybe you're going to replicate it. You don't need to be a big name chef to be able to produce this. Thanks for watching this little video. I do hope we've inspired you to use some of the wonderful gooseberries from Dan Tanner's farm in Sopley Farm down there in Christchurch. Lovely little video. Support the local producers at the Hampshire Farmers Market. Thanks ever so much, Dan. Cheers. Beautiful.